How to get started with KeyBank's online banking accounts. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel Simply Finance. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can get started with KeyBank's online banking account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. KeyBank is also one of the most popular banks that are available in the US. And if you would like to create and apply for online banking, the first of all, most significant important thing you have to understand here is that you need to have an existing bank account. Open up your browser, come to key.com. If you don't have a bank account first, you can visit the nearest branch and then you can apply and make a bank account, or you can simply click on open an account option from the top right hand side. You can choose what kind of account you would like to create: checkings, savings, credit, CD, personal or mortgage account, or whatever else you prefer. Only once you've created your bank account you can create online banking account, because online banking simply refers to the ability of being able to make transactions online, do everything online right from the comfort of your home and your laptop or your mobile, instead of having go to the bank. That's simply what online banking means, point blank period. And to get started with it, you have to first of all enroll for it. And if you look on the right hand side, you'll be able to find this option here where it says enroll in online banking. You want to make sure to just click on this option here. As you click on the enroll in online banking option, first of all it says let's start with the kind of account you want to enroll, whether it is a personal account or a business account. I'm selecting personal account in this case. I'm going to click the next option. Now here you can see you want to enroll your personal account. You can use an ATM or debit card to get started. An account or credit number will also work. You can simply first of all make sure to enter your social security number here, and then you can see would you like to use an ATM or debit card or PIN. You can just select ATM or debit card number or maybe a credit card account number. But as I said, that is why I told you need to have an existing bank account because in order to apply for online banking. Now simply enter the email address you would like to use here. Click on the next option over here. Once you click on the next option, you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be able to ask to enter the username, the email, the password that you would like to use, and verify your identity in order to successfully apply for online banking. And once you've applied for online banking, only then you can sign into online banking, right? So you want to come back, make sure to simply enter your user ID or whatever else you have here, and then also make sure to simply choose your password and then click the sign in option in order to sign into online banking. In case you forgot your password, you can just click on this. Now you might be asking me, I've done all of the steps, you've created online banking account, you went ahead and signed up for it. Now what are some of the things you can do using online banking? Well, the possibilities and features are basically endless, because you can see all of these features. You can apply for a loan, you can create a checkings or savings account, you can refinance your mortgages, you can apply for home equity loan, home insurance, life insurance. You can also apply for credit cards. If you click the credit cards option, you'll be taken to the new page where you can simply choose one of the cards that you would like to create. And you also have personal loans and lines and whatever else you have in this case. Now just in case you're wondering, if you do not have the time to visit the website, go to key.com and sign in. You can always use the mobile application and you can always apply for it anytime. You have the application available on both the Android App Store as well as the Apple App Store. Go ahead and download them, follow the similar instructions, and then you'll also be able to apply and use the mobile banking in a similar fashion. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.